All right, folks, and what been waiting for. You know who he is. What's up? That's right, it's me. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, more. Okay, all right. What's not? Oh, whoa, I can't. Hey, come on now. Oh, I can't help it. They love me. Hey, I'm telling you what. Over here at MRA Passive Income, we got what you want. We got the what's up. That's what we'll do if you don't get over here. We give you a big old spanking. So come on over to MRA Passive Income and say what's up, or you might get. That's right. Anytime, anywhere, MRA Passive Income, we're making money, baby. How about you? I tell you what, you can make money with babies. You can make money with doggies. You can make money with birdies. It doesn't matter as long as you're making some money. Won't you agree, folks? That's right. That's right. Otherwise, you gonna get one of these. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So come on over to see Mario Money, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Otherwise, you're gonna get what's up? What's up? Now, if this is your thing, you better stay home. We ain't giving them away for free.